All right. So yesterday was day 2 of me rolling out this genetics unit to its totality. In your notebooks, did we have to write any vocabulary?
Yes.
Okay. What's your first vocabulary word that you had to write?
Oh no, crossing. Crossword.
Oh, Punnett square. All right. How would you define Punnett square in your own words using the term probability? All right. Go ahead, Cassandra. How would you define a Punnett square using the term probability?
Punnett square showing like the probability of how the offspring will come out.
Excellent. I wouldn't change anything. Right on your All right. Did you find the closet door open or closed?
It's actually open.
All right. Now, what's your understanding of a Punnett square?
I was asking, do you want us to?
He wants to. I want to talk to you.
Yeah, cause.
I'm listening.
Do you want us to write that section from the new G or as
No, on the one you used yesterday. Listening. Can I read the question? Yes. So I say, can you describe to me what a Punnett square is in your own words using the term probability?
Basically, this is a concept that I would say Punnett square is it's like the expected like prediction outcome what your offspring will look like next time.
I think
From the
that's
two events.
excellent. I think that's good. I think that is perfectly stated. A Punnett square is the expected outcome or the probable chance of what offsprings will inherit. Yes. So today we are practicing a little bit oral instruction and paraphrasing. So I'm going to give it to you orally. You put it in your own words on the paper. All right? Because I don't have the time to write. You copy. Right? You copy. Right? All right. Next word, probability. How can I get a definition with the word chance?
Say it again?
I would like a definition of the word probability using the word chance in your response. Charles?
Probability is the chance, or the percentage of the chance of how much something will happen.
Okay, I like it. Can anybody say it differently, or does anybody have it differently in their heads? Okay, so if I was paraphrasing what Charles said, it was that mine would say probability is the chance occurrence of something. And you kind of molded it down to my understanding, right? Was that okay with you? Are you the same concept? Okay. I said that based on my understanding of what you said, probability is the chance of something happening, of something occurring. Okay. All right, how are homozygous and heterozygous alleles different? Tanisha?
Homozygous is like it's calculated, really means like no, it's negative.
That was 50%, right?
Yeah, so homozygous is like the same, like it can be a calculated number,
Yep.
and then the hetero means no. You got it, give me hands.
Why is that?
All right, Roger, help him out. What's an offspring? Independent struggle. You learn, little people, you learn. All right. There you go. Now, what was the ratio be? So,
Wait, no.
come on. No, you ain't tripping. Because you said it, right?
Hetero means one is captain, one is not.
Yep.
Right?
Or,
And then on
no.
I said.
Good job. Now look at our ratio. Then how many boxes represent heterozygous cause? Two, and then how many are homozygous?
Part of the same.
The cross is correct.
Yes.
This is correct. Titration. How many boxes does homozygous short? Okay, right, two. So let's see, like, how many boxes are heterozygous cause?
So,
There you go. Now go to your next.
Ethan B for 3 times. Probably 3.
Yeah.
I want to see you do 3 on your own, Mike.
It should be short, so like that.
Yeah. I say for mine. No, you doing 3 on your own, Mike. Come here with that sheet.
It's like, it's
We're Christian.
basically just writing a type.
But I need to see you do the math.
So, it's.
You tripping right here. What? Right. Yes, it's close. Right. Okay. Strong. Well, bring it on over here, Christian.
So like this, the first list, I was like, oh my god. The second list, I was like, like this.
It'll be GT 03.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Uppercase lowercase.
Phenotype is basically.
Yeah, write it out for you. Okay.
I'm here, he's saying his ball. His ball right here. See that, right here.
So you're saying you are crossing a heterozygous male with a heterozygous. To be heterozygous using the letter L looks like what? Show me the cross.
So that's right there. I mean,
Are you sure? Don't get that notebook.
That's how you just put.
yeah, I'll still looking. Right. Yeah. I mean, it's one.
This one over. Was that the other? So. I did right. I said that.
So wait.
This ain't right.
When it is
It is one.
a uppercase and a lowercase, that's making sight. Okay, so for a heterozygous, you can tell what that looks like. So it should look like this. Uppercase L, you put your hand behind one more time. What?
We're not whispering after.
No, that's their friendship. They can talk about the trait. What percent gets recessive? And this is 25. So that's what they're asking us here. Out of that dominant, after the cross, they had 200 kids.
Oh.
All right. Out of their 200 kids, how many of them will have the dominant phenotype? So it's 150. You see how you know that? You just have to apply it. Go ahead. What was you saying?
So what is number 5, like, there's only 25%, the company was a, with number, probably number of white man. What if he give me for 5? It's not like, yeah, it's not. Like, it's not. I guess sorry, I don't.
But is that the final answer? What is for this? It's happening in different pockets. That's why we learn at different speeds. It's okay. And it's certain stuff we're gonna be real fast. Let's go back to number 5 based on what we know for number 4. For number 4, what percent of your organisms were offspring, were dominant? 75. So you took that 75% and applied it to what number? 200. Based on your understanding of number 5, what percent of your offspring are white? 50. What do you do with that 50 with that whole number? You apply that 50 to that 168. So how many of them will be white? No, because 40 plus 40 is not 168, 81.
1,000.
How they,
Right.
Is what I was supposed to do, right?
No, he did way more than he needed to. Hey, he's awesome.
Yeah, every morning. So I'm
Maybe I did that wrong. Maybe I did. Maybe we doing this wrong. How y'all getting 118?
Yeah, you, 168 subtract 3.
No, I thought.
70% of 168, which is what, Kiana?
What is it?
Okay, that's because y'all hearing it wrong. Y'all thinking of the number 50. We're talking about the percent of 50 for number 5. Okay?
So it's
Well, that's
one.
That's right.
So that's fine. If you need to get a calculator, come on. I know this day was coming. Yeah. There you go, girl. Yeah.
So what was the number?
That's what 160. That's why I'm like, you need 50% of 168. Good job. Come on, Rob.
What I'm doing?
So I can get the kitchen. Get up in now.
Virginia.
This recorded?
Yes.
Oh, you gotta edit that.
Show me the prop. Don't get too happy for the pencil. On your own.
I need work.
Yeah. We'll get that drop off. Come here and show me that number 3.
It's 4, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. So that was the SPA inbox posted with the number. That I understand.
Yeah, I get what you're saying, but
Say.
on first one, you gotta somehow calculate it pretty much.
No, I didn't get expensive. It doesn't matter what letter you.
Oh, no, this right, this is right.
No, you can go to jail. Police! Cause she put in 2 different letters for number 5. She got B for black and W for white.
You know what?
If it is black, it is what? Dominant or recessive?
It's dominant.
Dominant. So Maya, how do you show dominant?
When I did it, and let it like,
Uppercase.
it's still dominant.
Dominant. So the 2 ways you can show me dominant is either big B, big B, or on the right side.
There you go.
Whoa, what you got 150? Show us how you got the 150. Don't erase it. No. Show us how you got the 150. Come here. So remember that for raw. You ever heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words?
Yeah.
Okay, this is one of those times, all right?
You want us to work?
No, you're gonna draw it and then I'm gonna tell you the story. Okay, because there's some things that you need to know about based on this. All right, so each one of these shapes represents a specific gender. Okay, so if it is a square, it is a normal male. If it is a square, and that square just so happens to be half shaded, the gender is still the same, but that makes it a male carrier. Okay, so that male is a carrier for some type of element. All right, and if we see a square that is fully shaded, that male could be what?
Game.
Okay.
Oh,
In fact. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right. So if the squares are males, what are the circles? Female. Normal female. If it's not shaded. If it's half shaded,
It's a female carrier.
excellent. If it is a half shaded circle, it's a what?
Female carrier.
Female carrier.
If it's fully shaded, it's the fit.
Carrier.
Infected with what?
That's an excellent question. What were they infected with in sickle cell?
Sickle cell.
There you go. All right. And in order to inherit sickle cell, both of your parents had to be what? Carriers. Ha.
Right.
Okay. And that have both have come together.
There you go. Then come on and say something. Because even when you did your crosses earlier, only 25% of them kids was blonde for number 6. Okay? It said, look at your first generation versus your second generation. All right? So now you got to tell me a story just using pictures. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. All right? Come on and tell me what you see.
I want to ask a question.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay. What's your question, babe?
Do I draw like all of that?
Yes, you draw all of that. That's why I say y'all not gonna let me that last 5 minutes because you need it. And I shade it. You have to shade it to tell the story the correct way. You sure that's right?
I ain't done.
No, I say hold on. Cause I'm square. It's like you got too many squares somewhere.
Story right here.
Okay, Tanisha, tell us the story.
So the parents, both of them, they both was halfway. They was a carrier of
Okay.
and they had 3 kids. It didn't go to 2 of them, but it went to 1 that made them infected.
Go back.
They-
Well, how many sons did they have?
2 sons
And
and 1 daughter.
what happened to
Not a
the
daughter. They
The daughter was infected.
got so
She got married and had
okay,
kids.
so one son he didn't stop right there. The other son he got married with a girl.
Uh-huh.
They had kids. They had 2 girls.
Yeah.
They didn't get infected.
Okay.
But the females woman for the second generation. Yeah, first generation.
Second generation.
Second generation.
Come on.
She got married with a male. Both of her, she had 2 sons and 1 daughter. They both had. They had
All 3 of their children are
They carried to
carriers for sickle cell. Okay.
And one of her daughters, she didn't get married. Son didn't get married, but her other son got married.
Her oldest son. Okay.
His wife was a carrier of it, and then they had a son and a daughter. Son didn't have a daughter.
All right, Ashley, you told that story. Go ahead, get her trying. Okay. I ain't got nothing to say. That was perfect. Does it make sense though? Yeah. All right. On your way out, you're gonna show me your pedigree, and I'm gonna sign off on it. Go ahead. I'm gonna sign off on your pedigree. If you are ready to go, come show it to me. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Bring me your pedigrees. All right. All right. Back it up. Y'all turning your worksheets? All right. Excellent. Here we go. Am I teaching too much at once? Is it clicking? Kiana like this kind of stuff. She like that. She said, challenge me. Excellent work today. All right. So like a 50-50 chance of kids getting not you. As it relates to the sickle cell?
Yeah.
So like
2 sons of them not infected, but his daughter did.
that's the probability. It's just a chance. All right, bye. Have a great one. Good job today, Mama. All right. So I liked your question, Samara, and we're gonna explore how some things are just sex linked. Like if it involves a uterus, males will never have it because they don't have a uterus. Like we could never get prostate cancer because we don't have a prostate. So certain things are just specific to gender. All right, but I'm not there yet. You guys did an excellent job with this new information today. Yes?
Okay. What do I take to transplant them body? Like, if you take one thing, they were able to be a girl, and then take another.
Yes, so both genders will take hormones to be the other one. Can I help you? I'm recording for class. All right. Oh, hello, go, yes, love you too. Bye, go to class. Y'all better come on, not write no passes. Let's go. Brothers and sisters. Okay.
So.
But I assume you know the other one. Yep, you got it. All right. All right, here we go.